Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by testing and reducing load. Test pH, chlorine, and alkalinity so you know what to correct. Next, skim surface debris and brush walls to free dirt. Once done, run the filter pump 8 to 12 hours to circulate water before adding anything major. Add small doses only if levels show low chlorine or high pH. This prevents overdosing. You need clean water movement and accurate readings to make the rest of the process predictable and quick. Now you balance chemistry deliberately. Raise total alkalinity to 80 to 120 ppm first because it stabilizes pH changes. Then adjust pH to between 2 and 6 so chlorine works effectively. If water is cloudy, apply a shock to raise free chlorine about 1 ppm above normal for a quick kill of contaminants. Follow label dosing. Once treated, add a clarifier or flocculant in measured amounts and run the filter continuously to collect particles. Clean the skimmer and backwash if needed. To finish, focus on filtration and routine maintenance. Backwash sand or DE filters when pressure climbs 8 to 10 psi over baseline, or clean cartridge filters as instructed. This restores flow. Maintain chlorine levels weekly and test water 2 to 3 times per week, emptying debris baskets daily to prevent recirculation. If algae appears, shock at night and brush surfaces aggressively. Then check pump flow and filter media for clogs. Poor circulation is often why problems recur, so clear blockages before repeating chemical steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.